to my channel, subscribers. And if you're new, please subscribe and like my videos. Okay, my sister called me and said she wanted me to do a decoration for her bathroom, which has a nautical theme, ocean theme. So I decided to put these together. These are the items I am going to use. This is a regular alcohol bottle. I am going to use some burlap rope, sponge, baking soda. I have my different types of paint, acrylic paint, my seashells, and the sponge. I'm not going to use paintbrush. I want a certain effect. So these are the items I am going to use. And the first thing I am going to do is wrap the rope around the top of the bottle. So stay tuned. Okay, we're going to add 1 pot paint to 1 pot baking soda. And you can add or minus the baking soda. On it, all depends on how you want your consistency. So I want mine thick but not too thick. So it's up to your discretion whether or not you want it thicker or thin. Okay, here is my consistency. Thick but not too thick. And as I stated earlier, I'm not going to use a paintbrush. I am going to dab it with the sponge that I have. Okay, here's my first coating. I think I'm going to add another 2. Let it dry in between coatings. It takes about a couple of hours. I'm going to say 2 to 3 hours for it to dry. Alright. Okay, the paint on my bottle is dry and I love the effect. I did dab on some white for like the ocean spray, like the foam that's shown on the ocean water. And I have the items I am going to add to the bottle to give it more of a sea effect. I have the shells. I have clear beads for bubbles. The pearls. I will hot glue these items on the bottle, even though I really hate hot glue because I always burn myself. But let's see if I can get through this. Here is the finished project, and it lights up at night time, so you can see the light better at night. Put a fruit screen on it. Let me turn the light